Today we're just going to make a simple watercolor, I think. I'm going to start off with making some lines on our Arch hot press paper. I'm liking these lines. Maybe like going like that way. Let's do a bit of resist. I'm going to make the lines as thin as I possibly can, which is going to be kind of hard with this. This crayon is kind of fat. I'm going to use more of the side of it, I think, maybe. I don't know. I'm not quite sure what I want this to be, so we're just going to kind of go for it and see what we get. I'm going to start off with a bit of this turquoise color today. Something a little brighter, a little more colorful. So I got some paint on my paper from something else. And we need another color in there. Maybe a bit of a darker blue. Ooh, that's really blue. Apparently this one's gonna be really bright. Let me get a tissue. Okay, I'm gonna dab a little bit of that away. Might need, if we put some orange through there. Got some orange here. I'm working with my Paul Rubens set today. What happens if we let that sort of melt together there? Let's do some green through here. I think I'm going to put a little bit more, a really light wash of the, I don't like the way that was. I got a little green, that's okay. I don't really like, I'm going to spread that out a little bit because it was getting a little maybe let's do just a dry brush through there. Let's see what we get from that. Okay, let's do, I'm liking the green. Let's add a little bit more, a darker color, a little more saturated. I'm really liking this hot press paper. Ooh, the dry brush is nice. Got a bit of a brown, sort of ochre, light brown color, almost an umber. I'm going to bring that through here. And then we're going to add some color. Okay, I've got some color here on this bubbly stamp. This one also came from the Temu place. I'll be real honest with you guys. I tried to make actual bubbles today on paper, and it was a horrible, tragic mess. And then I remembered I had this stamp, so that's kind of what I wanted them to look like, but it didn't come out like that. Okay, I got a little bit of a brownish tone here. I'm just going to bring it through here like this. That's nice. That is really nice. Let's do a swipe. Oh, that's not cardboard. Give it a little swipe here. Maybe a little bit more. I think a little bit more, maybe a little darker color. Let's make it a little darker. Let's come in with just a little bit through here. I like that. Put some glue on the... Let's add some rust through here. I don't want to cover up all that good stuff we got going on over there. I just want to add a bit of that rust in there. That orange is really bright. It looks like it was supposed to be orange, but it looks more red to me. But I don't hate it so much. I think we need to make this in a little bit more of a brighter solid green. And maybe we'll continue it. This is almost all pure color with very little water. Let's come in with our knife. So we can make some lines through here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put more of this stamp through here with a darker color. I thought it could be a little bit more vibrant, a little bit more texture. Yeah, I like that better. It's just looking a little faint and not really. I mean, if you're going to do something, might as well do it right. Kind of put it in there. I think I want to do, I feel like I want to bring it over though. A little bit over the swipe. Let's do some thicker paint. Let's see what happens when we swipe that. Ooh, I like that. That's good. Okay, I'm going to put a little, I'm going to do a little bit of that over here. Or maybe I don't. I was going to swipe it, but I don't think I'm going to swipe it. I think I like how bold that is. Let's just add some of that over here. Make it go all the way across. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. This looks like a jagged sort of rock area. This actually needs... I like the swipe, but I kind of want it to be, yeah. Maybe a little bit of, let's do a little bit of color shaper and see what happens there. We can just muck around with that a little bit. It's going to give us some good marks. Okay, so I'm not really fond of this, but I wonder what happens if it's like almost like too subtle. And what if we just continued it through there? Ooh, that's kind of fun. Yeah, I kind of like that. I don't know why. I just kind of like it. Do we need more of that color? I think we need some other colors, like maybe this orangish yellow, maybe. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. Let's put some of that through here. Oh, it's almost too light. You can't really see it. Okay, that's not the color we want then. Let's try this ochre. Ooh, that's fun. Look at that. That's making some, it's kind of meshing with that. It's a little bit damp through there. Ooh, but that's fun. I like that. That little, I like that white mark there, so I'm trying to leave that little bit. Let's put in a little bit more through here. I think adding the Caran dash marks really always, almost always brings just a little bit of depth. And I probably need to get some more colors because I only have the warm set, but I kind of want to put a little bit of this orange somewhere. So I feel like it's just there. Let's put just a little bit. Just a little bit through there. And maybe a little bit coming down through here. I really like that orange. It's a nice complement to the green. And it looks better than that sad little... What if we brought it... Oh, I think that works. Do we need it to come down this way, though? I don't think so. This is our sheet of deli paper with our oil pastel from Mangayo. They are water soluble. I'm just going to make some marks. Oh, yes. Fabulous. I don't know what it is about these marks. I just feel like they add depth. And kind of just make things come alive. I think I'm going to bring it through here a little bit. I gotta quit being so aggressive. I keep ripping my paper. I think that works. Because we've already got a little bit of the ochre going through there. Oh my God, Strina, what are you doing? I'm like on beast mode today. Okay, and I think last but not least, I want to add just a little bit of a line going through here. And I maybe want to add one coming through like this. I'm going to bring that all the way down. I don't think... let's do it like... I think it does need to come all the way down. Okay, I think this one's done. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more of this green. Maybe. Might need a little bit more water. So I really like the orange of the green. I don't really like it against the blue. And I think if I added just a touch of that color, and I just took out my black line, but oh well. I feel like that makes it pop even more, I think. But then we need to bring that line up through there. Okay, so here it is with the matte. I really like what we got going on here. I think the lines are good. I like the stamp. Really love the orange line. I think the orange line did something. I love it. I'm glad I brought it down a little bit. It's sort of a mix between my normal palette and some brighter colors, which I think is pretty cool. Loving this color. This color is fabulous. Definitely need to use more of that. Overall, pretty happy with it. I like the resist. I like the little subtleties of the resist through here. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, so I started the Patreon, and there's a link to it in the community, and I will leave a link to it below this video. It's going to be $5 a month for the first 100 that sign up. And then after that, it's going to go up to $7 for the people that sign up after 100. Please read the first post in the Patreon. Talks about the membership and what you can expect and the concerns with Apple and how to address them. If you have any questions, ask me in the community or ask me in Patreon if you show up or sign up, and I'll be happy to answer them as best I can. So I'm planning on doing just little tutorials throughout the week when I work on something that may work or may not. There's also going to be some chat rooms that I set up so we can talk about work, so that we can critique and get discussion on our work, and hopefully move us all forward to make cool art. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much. Hope you guys have a nice weekend, and I will be back probably on Sunday with another video. Thanks so much. Bye.